Hi, students, and welcome to week 12 in your online Lifespan Growth and Development class. This week, we are covering the second chapter that is included in early adulthood. So let's take a look at this week's module. As always, you have a link to this week's PowerPoint slides, and you will have one Connect assignment over who I love at age 19. So this socio-emotional chapter on early adulthood speaks a lot to the relationships and the both romantic and family relationships and peer relationships that you have during this stage of life. So the assignment will cover who I love at age 19. And then a chapter 12 quiz. There's not a writing assignment for this week. I hope you enjoy wrapping up learning about early adulthood this week. Next week, we will be moving on to middle adulthood. Have a great week, everybody.